What did we do this week? We got rid of the kitchen island.
Mm-hmm.
And this was our first demo project, which was, it was so successful. I felt so accomplished.
Yeah, we didn't feel so
it.
bad taking this thing apart.
No.
We determined that it was not going to work for us, not even salvageable.
No. There's a beaver there.
Oh,
yeah. New was the thing.
Yeah.
Yes, that was so fun. Yeah. Hi.
It's white.
It's white. That's a steel beam. Hello.
That is so fucking cool.
Yes, you are going to be so much better than the stupid color that they put you in.
This right here is homeowner life. That's
Yeah.
right. What's up?
Oh, you're so pretty. Look at your beautiful big bolts. I love you. So excited. That is beautiful. Yes, 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 yes.
This was big for you.
It was so big. And then the most amazing thing that happened, the beams that we uncovered actually say Carnegie on the side of them. It's like built into the beam. So we have Carnegie steel beams that will be exposed in our apartment. So 1925.
Original Carnegie steel from...
Still has the stamp on it. But yeah, it's just going to be so fun to have that little piece of history mark on those beams. We'll have to make something out of the wood that we took down.
Yeah, it's actually really decent wood. We could make like a doghouse out of it.
Oh yeah,
or we
make
could...
a doghouse. That's such a good idea. Okay, project.
Fun.
We put little holes in the soffit over the kitchen cabinets because I really wanted to find out if we could get rid of the soffit or not. And the jury's still out a little bit. On the left-hand side, we could see that there really isn't anything in the box, so that's good because that was the part that I really, really, really wanted to take the cabinet all the way to the ceiling. And then over the fridge, there is a pipe. So I'm feeling positive still because worst comes to worst, we have like a little soffit or the pipe comes into the cabinet that goes above the fridge, but who really cares about the cabinet above the fridge? So like we could probably make it work where we don't have to do anything too expensive like moving a pipe, and we still can make the cabinets look, you know, nice and flush. And then the other thing is the small wall to the right. We really want to take that down. I really don't think that it's a load-bearing wall because as far as we could see, there's nothing actually sitting on top of this 4-inch by 4-inch post. So that's my bet as of right now. That's my big question. How much can we do on our own without getting ourselves in trouble where we're making a mistake that might cost us money? Because I'm just excited to try everything, and I don't have the experience to know whether that's smart or not.
What else did we do this weekend?
We had a smell problem this weekend.
Oh, the smell. The issue we had with a smell seemed to be coming into our bedroom, which has progressively kind of gotten worse.
It's like a
since
musty,
the first weekend we were there.
Moldy, not really mold, like basement smell. And I mean, we were worried. We're buying a basement apartment. Okay, I know, but we thought that the problem would be in the back where we're maybe 3 or 4 feet underground in the back, and the patio is right there. So we were like really making sure that any water running towards the house was going out through the drain, and we checked the sump pump. But this is on the other side of the apartment. On the other side of the wall of our bedroom is the utility room of the whole building, and that actually gets water in it when it rains. So it got really smelly, and we could actually smell it in our bedroom. And then last night, I found that there was a hole behind the radiator that there was just air blowing out of. So I stuffed paper towels in it, and that made it better. But we have to find out the solution to this, whether we need to weatherproof the wall from the outside or just rip down the wall and like rebuild it, because if there's water on the other side, I can't have mold growing in the wall of my bedroom. not acceptable. Okay, but let's end on a high note.
Mm-hmm.
The cool thing is we also got the intercom set up this weekend.
Oh yeah, the intercom, yeah.
So you all have to come over and you will see our names in the little list, and you can actually ring our phone from the intercom. So we can actually buzz you into the building from our phone. So we don't even have to be home. We could be like on our way home and you could be there already, and then you can get into the building.
I could answer the call on my watch and hit number 9 to open the door for you.
So cool.
Yeah.
So, and we're also researching smart locks, so that's so exciting for us to finally have be an owner and have the option to install a smart lock.
Yep.
So that will be a future purchase that we're excited about.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but that's our update, so we will let you know what's going on this week next week. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.